welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Genesis. Welcome to the beauty family. And if you're oldie but a goodie, then welcome back. Today's video, it's the time of the month. Not that time of the month, but it's time for us to do the 3-month unboxing for Boxy Charm. I have my 3 months here. I have November, December, and January. And if you're like, what the heck is Boxy Charm? Boxy Charm is pretty much a monthly subscription where you pay $21 a month. I know that kind of seems like expensive, but honestly, it's totally worth it. I love Boxy Charm because they give full-size products. Enough of me rambling. Let's go ahead and start unboxing. If you want to see what we got for these 3 months, then go ahead and keep on watching. So we're gonna start off with the month of November. This is what your typical Boxy Charm box looks like. I have not yet opened these boxes. I know a lot of you guys say, how can you not open the boxes? Don't you get tempted? Yes, I do, guys, but once I receive them in the mail, I just put them away in the box where I usually keep them, so I won't see them and I won't get tempted. So I'm gonna go ahead and open. I have my handy dandy little blade here. I'm gonna slice this open. So when you open it, it says, "Hello, Charmer." Each box comes with the little pamphlet. This one says sweater weather. Again, this one was for November, so like the winter time. And in the back, it gives you all the information of each product that is in here. It gives you the product name, the price, and like a little description of what the product does. So first off, I see this Cover Effects illuminating spray. I'm super happy I got this because honestly, I am running out of I have 2 setting sprays. I have my Fix Plus and I have the Mario Badescu Rose Water, which is not really a setting spray, but I like to use it as setting spray. The retail price for this is $31. I mean, right there already, you're saving yourself $10 because the Boxy Charm is $21. And I know sometimes it's hard to get into the subscription because they do have like a waiting list. Honestly, it's worth it. I remember I was on the waiting list for only like a couple of weeks. It didn't take that long. So we have this. What is this? Laga Cloud Lips. I don't know what this is. I never heard of this brand before. It's in the shade Storm. Oh, it's like a plum color. Next, we have a Luxie Quad Eye Travel Set. This retails for $32. And these are just brushes. Oh my god. These are so cute and tiny. Well, it's a travel set, so they're not like big. I think I have like 2 Luxie brushes, but they're pretty good. I like them a lot. Next, we have some lip masks from KNC Beauty. We have 2 of them. These retail for $15 each. That is $30 right there, you guys. So, oh, actually it comes with 3. Oh snap. It comes with 3 of them, so that's pretty dope. And then last but not least, we have this, I believe it's an eyeshadow palette. It's called Winky Lux Kitten Palette. This retails for $25. And it has the colors right here. And it is cruelty free, so that's good. Ooh, the colors are so pretty. This is what the palette looks like. So that was pretty much it for the box of November. I feel like it came with pretty good product. I would rate this box out of 10. I would probably rate this I think I would rate it honestly a 10. I feel like it came with a lot of good products. Alright, moving on to our next box. So right off the bat, I see something from Tarte. This is a lash paint mascara and this one's $23. I'm so happy again that I got this because I am in need of mascara. I have 2 of them, but they're really like drying out. Next, I see a brush. Again, like I told you guys, I've been wanting some new brushes and now I don't have to buy one. This one is from Crown. I do have a lot of Crown brushes and let me say they are really good quality and they're not that expensive. This one is a blush brush. This one is $12. I feel like maybe I would probably use this. I think it looks good for contouring and also for foundation. I don't know if I would use this as a blush. Next, I see a blush kit, but we have a Real Her Be Fearless blush kit. Ooh, these are actually so pretty. Look at these colors, you guys. Next, I see this Bella Pure Cosmetics Pro Concealer Palette. It's like a color correcting palette. And last but not least, I have this liquid lipstick. This is from the brand Pretty Vulgar. And look at the packaging, it's cute. I like the roses on there. And this is in the shade My Lips Are Sealed. Honestly, I would rate this one like a 7.5, 8. There wasn't nothing super big. I mean, I did like the brush. And I really like the Tarte mascara. So last but not least, we have our January box. Dr. Bennett. I love his products. I have a few of his products. This one I'm super excited. It's a luminizer primer. This alone costs $38. Ooh, next we have a lip plumper. That means I don't have to get lip injections. But this is Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. It increases volume, hydration, and smoothness. And this is in the color Dusty Tarot. I've never heard of this brand. This product here retails for $27. I've never had anything like this, so this is pretty interesting. Next, I see a It Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. Universal. So does that... When I see something that says universal, I feel like it means that it can work for any eyebrow. This costs $24. Next, I see a Pure Bronzer and Brightening Palette. It's a cheek palette. This looks like it would be a freaking dope highlight. Last but not least, for the month of January, we have a Glam Meadow Crown Pro palette. This seems like a really pretty palette. That is pretty much for the January box. I would rate it a 9. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for the 3 months of unboxing for BoxyCharm. If you guys like these type of videos, don't forget to give these videos a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and be part of that beauty family. And don't forget to leave any comments down below, any suggestions, video requests, any questions, concerns. Go ahead and leave them down below, and I'll go ahead and chat with you guys down below in the comment section. And don't forget to follow me on my other social media so we can stay connected. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.